Hi all. So now welcome back once again to the world of triangles. So till now you are equipped with a lot of basic knowledge related to triangles. You know basic properties, sum of angles of a triangle, exterior angle property and lot of things related to triangles. So now let us move on to one of the most important things that why we study triangles for. Okay. So we in this video we'll be seeing about congruency of triangles. So I will basically divide it into two videos. In the first video, that is in this video, first of all, we'll be seeing the basic meaning of this word congruency. What actually means congruence of triangles, how to relate them, what actually congruence is. So once we are very enough okay with understanding this, then we'll seeing the basic conditions of applying congruency in triangles. So if I say, see I have two random figures A and B. I say that they are congruent. What do I mean by that basically? In simple words, if I'll explain, it can be said that two figures or two objects are said to be congruent, right? Let me write that for you. Two objects are said to be congruent if they exactly coincide over each other. Simple, right? This is a pretty layman definition of the congruency, and I hope all of you have understood this very clearly. That is, two objects are said to be congruent if they exactly coincide over each other, right? Say, for example, take a set of object A, which is in rectangular or say in this dimension in shape, and I have another set of object B, which is of this shape. If I superimpose B on A and each and every side, each and every part of B coincide exactly with A, then I can say that both A and B are congruent to each other, right? This is the basic meaning of congruency, and it can be of any shape. It is valid for any object. It can be a circle, it can be a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a parallelogram, anything. This is the basic definition of congruency, right? That both the objects that I'm seeing, that both objects are congruent, then both the objects should exactly coincide with each other. Now let us explain, let us see congruency in other words. If I have two objects, like if two objects have exactly same size and shape, right? If two objects have exactly same size and shape, then they are congruent to each other, right? If two objects are exactly same in size and shape, then we can say that both the objects are congruent to each other, because that will be a case when both the objects will superimpose each other, right? Say I have a block here, say I have a square block here, and if say the side is 4 centimeter, if I have another square of the same dimension 4 centimeter, this is also 4, all sides are 4, and this is also square of side 4, and when I superimpose them, now see all the angles are 90-degree, right? And size is same, shape is same, so I can say both of them are congruent to each other, right? So this is the basic meaning of congruency. What are the properties, what are the conditions, how do we apply it for triangles, that we'll see on later. But in this video I want you to focus on what congruency actually is. Once that basic definition is clear, then be assured that the understanding of conditions of congruency for triangles will be very simple. So in this video, I'll just end it with this way. In the next video, we'll be seeing the basic conditions for congruency of triangles.